everyone, I have another really cool video of just Goodwill pottery that I find when I go to Goodwill, and I thought I would share them all with you and show you the prices, and that way I will stage it for you at the end. But it's really got some cool stuff here in Florida, so I hope you will sit back and enjoy. If you would subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell, that would be wonderful. All right, here we go. This is humongous. It is really big. It's really heavy. It is a candle holder. I'm not sure, it was considered like artwork of some sort, and it had an item, so I don't know if it went with a auction. So I think it may have been auctioned off maybe years ago. It was $30. I got it for $15, so I got it for half price. But I don't know if any of you guys know about stuff like that. You can see, let's see, I don't know, yeah, if you can see that. Anyway, it's super heavy. It's really heavy, but you can see the top of it. I just dusted it. I didn't do a lot of cleaning because I like to keep it in its original. I know some people would have probably painted it, but I love the look of this. It gives a very vintage look, and it's just, like I said, it's very heavy. It's got some great designs on it. I mean, it's so cool, and it's very heavy, so it's definitely metal, probably, I'm not sure, probably iron. They definitely welded some of it together. So that was my first piece, and it was $15, so that was a really good buy. This next piece is just a wooden piece, but I thought the design was really cool. It is made out of wood. I paid $4.99 for it. Let's see if I can get that in there for you. And it's a nice piece of wood, and it's a pretty cool piece, as you can see. There it is. And I will stage that for you in a bit, so stay tuned. Okay, my next one. Some of this pottery is really heavy. Okay, this one is also very heavy. All right, this is handmade, and let me see, it doesn't really say. Made in the Philippines. All right, so this was made in the Philippines. It's handmade. It's got a really cool design. It was $16.99, and I paid probably $8.50 for it, but it's a gorgeous piece. And like I said, it was made in the Philippines, as you can see. I don't know if you can, yeah, but it's really cool. Somebody, like I said, probably didn't like the colors or maybe got tired of it, but it ended up in Goodwill. Totally perfect, no chips, no breaks, just really heavy, and it is made out of pottery, so pottery is always heavy. This one's really cool too. This, let's see. This I don't remember. Oh, I kept the price, thank goodness. This was $6.99. Now I probably pay, it's hard for me to say because I collect these over weeks and months, and I pull them out to do a video on them, but it was $6.99. And like I said, if it was the blue color, I got it for $3.50, but I don't mind paying $6.99 for this because it was in perfect condition. It's got a really cool design on it. I love the way it looks. It's got like a mint green. It goes down with the brown. Like I said, it's got no chips. Absolutely perfect. So I would have paid $7, but $3.50 is nice too. So love the way this one looks also. This one, not sure. This one's made out of stone and glass, so it is, I don't know if you can see it. It's really cool. It's like, it's got, like, it's old, as you can tell, because it's starting to get chips, but it's got some brown, some white. It's really cool looking. I don't always mind the chips because you can, turn it this way and you don't see any. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I'm sure it wasn't much because it was Goodwill. But here it is. And as you can see, it has no chips, but it's got some texture to it. So the texture, I don't know if you can see that. The texture is like it looks like it could peel if it wanted to. So you can see there are tiny, tiny little chips there, but you don't have to see them when you put them in a different spot. But that's a cool piece too. And let's see. All right, this one's pretty cool too. This one was probably $3. It was $5.99 regular, but it's got like the weave. It's got the weave around the top, but it's a very cool piece. It's brown. It's got the price on it. As you can see, it's a pretty cool piece also. If you can see it sitting there. Okay, my last piece, which is very, very cool. It was either $6 or $3. And as you can see, looks like a Japanese lady or Oriental lady. She is playing the flute, but look how cool that one is. It's kind of strange. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but it's really cool. It was probably maybe $5.99, or if I got it for half price, $3. But either way, I would have paid $6 for it. It was pretty cool. Okay, now I will try to stage all this for you, and hopefully I can do a good job. I hope. All right, this one that's really, really heavy. I'm gonna put this one over here first. That is really, really heavy, but it really is gorgeous. I'm gonna put my little wooden guy. He's gonna go right here. And then of course, this humongous pottery. It's really heavy. I'm gonna put that in the middle because I'll put some greenery in it. Then I have this one. I'll put that one right here. And maybe this one I'm going to set right here. Okay, let's put some flowers in these. Got this at Hobby Lobby. My favorite place to get really cool flowers. And then, let's see, I got this bunch. I got this little piece at Walmart. So that one's going to go in here. So you can see it's all done, and then I will show you how I stage it by filming it back so you could see it from afar. Okay, here we go. I'll show it to you on my armoire. Sorry, I have to be in it with it, but you'll be able to see how that looks. It's very pretty. I have a candle that goes in right here on this one. I will put a candle. Of course, it's got a, okay, there we go. So as you can see, I think it looks really good. I do. It's very pretty. This candle holder is very ornate. It's got just so many different curves, and it's very, very cool. I mean, just look at all this detail on this. And remember, all of these are thrifted from the Goodwill. So hope you can get to your Goodwill and get some really cool home decor and just see if you like to decorate your house, which would be really cool. And this is just a minimalist type one. I'm going to add a couple things so you can see what I've added. So hold on a minute. I'm going to add some of the other pieces that I had just to show you how you can add pieces or take them away. Okay, I've added this really cool piece of pottery that has the weave top to it. And I've added some lights. So I think that also can add some really like special lights to your little home decor. And then I added this one, the lady with the musical instrument. But I think this also looks good. I mean, some people are maximalists, some people are minimalists. So I think it looks good both ways. I think I moved this one over a little bit to give it more room. But yeah, love the way it looks. Again, if you would like, subscribe and give us a comment or hit the notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes on. We really do appreciate you. We love that you subscribe and comment. So definitely have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.